Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MetaMask on Chrome Easy Guide. Open Chrome and add the MetaMask extension from the store, then pin the icon. Create a new wallet or import an existing wallet using your seed phrase. Set a strong password and write down your seed phrase offline. Enable auto lock and consider hardware wallets for large balances to keep funds safe. To make or restore a wallet, open the MetaMask extension and follow prompts to create a password or paste your seed phrase. Writing the seed phrase on paper prevents online theft. Confirm your secret recovery phrase only within the extension and never type it into websites or messages. After setup, test with a small amount of cryptocurrency to ensure everything works before moving larger funds. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to stay refreshed after long setup sessions. It's a small comfort while learning wallets. I've linked the product and other deals in the description, so check those out before we continue. Now let's get back to the video. To receive crypto, click Receive and copy your address or show the QR code to the sender. For sending, choose Send, paste the recipient address, set the gas fee based on speed preferences, and confirm. Always double-check the address characters and network selected, such as Ethereum or Polygon. Start with a small test transfer to prevent losses and monitor transactions in the Activity tab until they confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.